This was one of 60 flooded homes that we've done the initial remediation as well as the restoration. So let's go take a look, see how it looks. We often get inquiries about kitchen remodels, and we want to show off one that we've done recently. We're almost complete with it, but you can get an idea of the fixtures or appliances, how it comes together. Just got these things delivered. It's not the fanciest kitchen we've ever done, but it's pretty decent. It's appropriate for the particular neighborhood that we're in. And there's a big spectrum of quality and budget range for projects like this. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. We did this on a fairly tight budget, and it looks great. We did all the electricity, all the plumbing, all the cabinetry, the countertops, everything like that. And one part of this kitchen that I love is that we deliberately set up sink here, so you've got a beautiful view of the water whenever you're doing work here. We also set up nice wine cooler and a little mini bar over here. So I like how it turned out. Very happy. I think the internal interior design team did a great job. Everything flows really well. It matches. It looks modern. It's classic. It's timeless. Very cool.